Yeah, it is definitely not something that is likely to improve relations between Germany and Russia. In fact, the Russian ambassador said this decision was politically motivated in his estimation and could only make the relations between the two countries more difficult. But, Francois, there's been a number of these assassinations or attempted assassinations as we cast our mind back over the years, particularly in the UK. Alexander Litvinenko poisoned with polonium, and then there was an attempt on Sergei Skripal. His daughter was poisoned as well. And then here in Berlin, we received Alexei Navalny, who had been poisoned with Novichok and was recovered. But there were no killers actually caught in those particular cases, although we have the photographs of the people in the script. In this particular case, the accused, Vadim Krasikov, was spotted by people in the Tiergarten, which is a place where you go for a jog. It's right a walk from the parliament, from Olaf Scholz's office. Forgive me, I'm getting used to the new chancellor. In broad daylight, he rode up on a bicycle, shot the Georgian national who had fought in the Chechen Second War twice in the back, and then gave him a shot in the head on the ground. He died on the spot and was seen by passersby and arrested minutes later by police. Pretty hard to deny any involvement in that. And the German authorities made 17 requests for participation, cooperation from Russia, got no help at all. And they determined, however, that this man had an alias. He had thousands of euros. He had photographs of Paris and Warsaw on his cell phone. So a backstory, a legend in spy talk, everything that indicated that there was some kind of state support for this hit. And that is what the judge said. He said this was a state-sponsored act, and everything pointed to the organs of the state of Russia ordering this killing.
And nearly 18 months on, and you've just described how it unfolded there. We're still wondering why he was so easy to catch.
Yeah, you'd have to ask the FSB, apparently. I'm not quite sure. One of the things that allowed the prosecutor to say, this is our man, is they were able to get a photograph of his wedding ceremony from Ukrainian authorities. He married a Ukrainian woman, and he had tattoos, and they're the same tattoos as the man they had in custody, who maintained to be an engineer on vacation. So I guess it was just not a very well performed execution, not being an expert in this kind of a thing. But it needs to be said, there seems to be quite a lot of these things going on, and Russian law allows operatives of the FSB, the Foreign Intelligence Service, to take out terrorists, as they are designated by the Russian government, if they have approval from the Kremlin. In other words, they have a license to kill. So this is a thing which is not some kind of rogue thing. It is state policy.
Wow.